Bitcoin SV cost examination by and large is bullish today in an essentially significant manner. Bitcoin SV essentially shows negative force throughout the end of the week, which truly is very critical. BSV United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at $45.49 in a for the most part huge manner. Current Bitcoin SV cost especially is $37.29 15 July 2023. In this article, we will truly walk you through Bitcoin SV cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally sought clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin SV? In a real sense is BSV a very wise interest in an essentially large manner? Bitcoin SV support and obstruction levels and so on, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the BSV specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss the really current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891 in an exceptionally significant manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,444,606,376, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the all things considered, whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, showing that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there by and large was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891, or so they most certainly thought, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time period, showing how BSV United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at $45.49, which sort of is very critical. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.8 and at present exchanging at 72 cents, which explicitly is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is very critical. These occasions explicitly show that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, a sort of broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, in every practical sense, further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, showing that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, which truly is genuinely huge. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers especially become in every way that really matters, more sort of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters move extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is genuinely huge. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin SV, BSV. Bitcoin SV execution as per price analysis market file. Bitcoin SV, BSV, by and large, is exchanging at $37.29, with an exchanging volume of $50,620,025, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25% in an especially huge manner. However, BSV basically has seen a cost increment of 3.74% in the kind of last 24 hours. BSV cost changes 10.48% over the course of the week, with a sort of complete market capitalization of $718,520,482 United States dollars, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin SV backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin SV value examination BSV cost examination for 15 July 2023, insight and everyday time period for the most part, made sense of beneath in an exceptionally significant manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving essentially normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Bitcoin SV in a for the most part huge manner without a doubt. The BSV United States dollar moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker in a real sense, is demonstrating an extremely present moment, by and large purchase pretty sign, as the MACD line especially is moving above especially signal line, which sort of means bulls in every practical sense are ruling on the lookout, or so they sort of thought. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 47 and explicitly is attempting to basically break out of the lack of bias zone, exhibiting that we utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving essentially normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to sort of dissect the future development of the Bitcoin SV, which for the most part is genuinely huge. While BSV's Williams %R marker basically is at 64.047 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal in a real sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, sort of additional appearance. How while distributing this blog, B and